I had a content machine, daily video creation. I perfected my lineups without enhancements, and that's what really got me to the next level. Once I realized that I wasn't even that good and I needed to improve my skills, then it was over. Then I started to do what you're about to see next, which is really retain my clients. This is the blueprint that got me to really scale up my clientele and retain more, is setting those guidelines with the end result in mind. Shampoo, barber saw, clipper guard with a grain to get those baby hairs laid down. And I would freehand them, not use a guard, because a lot of you barbers cut with clippers and you're like a robot. You don't even realize that he has a light spot. You just patched him. Then I do the wave treatment in the barber saw to lay it flat, and I blow dry it, brush it forward, and I preserve the lineup in the light areas first. Man, I ran it up doing that play right there. Now listen, bro, who you are right now is not who you will be when you achieve your goals. My clients, when they achieve success, they're not the same person they were before. I'm not the same person I was before. Who you are right now is not who you will be when you achieve the goals that you are set out for. We don't get what we want, we get what we deserve. We must become the person who deserves it. So now at this point, I'm running it up in a different lane of life. And that's really fitness, health, habit stacking, self-mastery, and running a daily program. What really helped me win, I'm gonna scale that to the masses. I'm gonna help so many people. There's no cap on this. And your goal is to get as much attention on your one thing as possible. You need to provide a VIP service to an affluent market at a premium price. That's the play. That's the mission statement. All right, so this is what my life looked like from going from my mom's basement, stuck at 22 years old. I had the freedom to take mom on a paid vacation. And you guys see me going to different countries, Colombia, China, Thailand, Mexico. I'm taking all these trips. People can't do this. Like, I went from driving a 90, I don't know what year that car was, old Chevy, 2017, living in my mom's basement, to running a play, man, where I went all in. Nobody's doing this. You guys see my plan and you've seen it unfold. That's not the case for most. Most barbers are in survival mode. They're drifting. They don't have a plan. Imagine the dream life that you want. How different is that from now? These are the barbers that I work with, all right? I'm working with people who are ready to really push every area of their life forward. Like I said, I wish I would have had this training because it would have saved me a lot in life. You guys are doing all these different designs, all these different haircuts, shears, texture, designs. You're trying to pass out business cards. I had somebody in the DMs tell me today they want to pass out business cards. A lot of people are lost, man. These are 3 things you need. You need to master a specific lane. You need to build demand for that specific service. You need to create viral content daily. So let's go over the first one. This is so simple to me. A problem and a solution. Look at who you serve. How well do you serve them? Who comes the most? All we're gonna do now is double down on that. Continue to master what you see in your chair and raise your prices. The one thing, if you read the book, you know, what's the one thing that if you do this every single day, everything else kind of just falls into place? As a barber, there's really only 3 main tasks that move our business forward. Those are focusing on a specific lane, focusing on highlighting the strengths daily, and all 3 of these areas is where you separate yourself from the rest of the pack.